This is a 500 Magnum, and we're gonna blow some shit up.
Same time, the exact same place. You got the uniform on, so cliche. What a waste of my time.
And next for the grand finale, we're gonna blow up some Lead Slingers whiskey.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We don't blow up good whiskey.
Valid point.
In case you guys didn't know, we did start our own whiskey company, and it's now available in South Carolina, New York, Oklahoma, and Arkansas.
So hey, thanks for watching. You're such a cheesy one.
He's the king, but there's no border.